Hey y'all, just a quick evening walk checking on the cows, so I thought I'd bring y'all with me. Sun setting. Always so pretty. Y'all see them kicking up dust down there? They heard Daddy John. John's moving. We're gonna move some cows. Addie and I moved cows right by ourselves last week. Let's see, we put all our steers in a little holding pen, just long enough to get some cows moved through our hub pasture. I know I always tell y'all it's the hub, and it is. It's got gates going into so many of our pastures. So, Zelda, where'd you come from, huh? This is Tyler's. Their puppy dog. Somebody dumped her off and we were feeding her, and then she came up completely missing. They had a $150 collar on her inside an electric fence, and she came back without the collar. I guess it's been about a month and a half, maybe two. I don't know. Go figure. Somebody probably stole the collar and sold it and dumped her back off. Who knows? Or she may have gotten loose and found her way back. She said, I like it here. Hey girl. Woohoo. You silly. I'm gonna let Tyler know you back. We gotta get you another collar. Is she helping, baby? Yeah, we'll count. 4, 5, 6, 7. That's all of them. They're kicking up some dust, aren't they? Oh, we got one. We got to back up. She don't want to come through. She's being shy. Where'd she go? There she is. I'm going to close the gate back. We're going to let the steers back here in the hub. The weather's finally starting to cool off in the evenings here in Louisiana, and we're so thankful. Woo. Yes, we are. Get over here and get this gate closed behind these girls. It's one of our newest little herds that we're working on. That's Petey's girls. Have the t-shirt says professional gate opener. I need a professional gate closer too, don't I? I guess that just is understood. Y'all getting a treat, Maybelline? Do y'all remember Maybelline? Y'all named her. There she is. Maybelline, she said, I've been playing in that white makeup. We're trying to tame up some of this herd. Some of our newer herd.
Oh, number 4. Thought you was missing something, didn't you? Huh?
She said I did. There's Sunday. I tell you all the time she was born on Sunday. She and John and Addie discovered her one winter morning before we went off to church. She was on the tractor with Peppo. Hey, Maybelline, you want to go get a cube from Daddy? But Addie wanted to spell her name like Ice Cream Sunday. Hey, girl. Yeah. She's already been a mama here.
You girls are getting big.
They are. Petey did impregnate several of y'all.
What he was supposed to do.
Yeah, he did.
Oh, Maybelline knows where there's a pellet. Yes, she does.
Did she go find it?
Yeah, she did.
Hey, boys. Yeah. Well, y'all come on. Y'all can get back out now. We were just letting the girls through. Hey, sweetie. Alright, John's feeding this herd. We've got lots of little ones in this herd. Oh, they've kicked up dust. Okay, y'all don't run over me. What y'all doing? Hey, Lolo Bug. Hey, sweet girl. What you doing? Come say hi to everybody. Yeah. She's a biggin'.
Now they're coming back to the beginning of the line.
There's all the little ones. Aren't they cute?
Oh, they look like a bunch of school kids.
They do. Hey, darlings. There's Mike Tyson. Isn't that him? That's Tyson, isn't it? Wait.
He's back over yonder. He's nearly big as a heifer gone.
Yeah, that's not Tyson. Sorry, buddy. Let me go find Tyson. Y'all named him, too. Oh, yeah. Y'all got to see how much he's grown. Here comes Freckles. There's Tyson. Y'all see how big he is? He's almost as big as the mamas. He's only 6 months old. Hi, darling. Hey, sweet girls.
You got a cube in your pocket? I know it.
Hey, Tyson, man. You so pretty.
Ain't nothing in the
Lola,
bag.
are you making sure?
They need to open the bag so you can look in there.
She said, let me check it out, Daddy. Gotta be one or a crumb or something.
You need to look in there. All right.
Lola, Lola. Just evening farm chores. Are y'all following Daddy? Y'all come on.